Do you struggle to get good looking slides and always end up with a result that kind of looks like this, with some text and images, but nothing that really stands out in your slides? Well, I'll show you how to turn them into this in just a few simple clicks, where you see there's more room for images and everything is nicely balanced and aligned on the slide. And as a bonus, and I really think this is the coolest feature, I've made the color palette of the template in such a way that you can just click on the button to change the entire look and feel of the slide. It's like magic. Let's see how we do this. So what you often see is slides that look like this. There's plain text and the occasional image on the slide. Let's say we have 3 points to make on our slide. Now you go to my professional template with over 100 different slides that you can use, and you find one that fits your content. In our case, it's going to be this one with 3 points and large place for an image. Now you can just drag in the images from your computer and drag them into the PowerPoint, and they will automatically fill into the placeholder, which is pretty cool. Now you just repeat that for the text that you want to have on the slide. Now if you don't like an image, you can just press the backspace and it will keep that placeholder in place. Now how convenient is that? And if, for example, you say you have multiple images, for example, a theme that you want to show all at once, you can just drag in multiple images from your file folder and drop them all in at the same time on your slide, and they will automatically populate in the placeholders. And it's all in the neat little details. For example, if you type in the title, you can see that it automatically shifts upwards, so you don't need to drag or reposition anything later on. And that will save you a lot of time for not having to reposition. But wait, there's more to this template that's really awesome. There's this little switch that you can use to change it from light to dark. Now let's see how we can customize that for you so you can match your own brand colors on the slide. First you go to the design tab and then you go to the color variants. Here you can see the existing color palette. Now what I would recommend you do is you create a second palette via the customize option here. So you can keep both and you can toggle in between them afterwards. Go to customize colors, and here I'm using 3 colors in this template. 1, the main color or the background color. 2, the accent color that we'll use. And 3 is the neutral gray accent that you see scattered throughout the entire presentation. Now you just swap the colors around or select the ones that you need and give it your own name and then just press save. And now you have these multiple color palettes available in your deck. Now look at that result, how you can change it from black to white in absolutely no effort, and everything on the entire slide like changes. Also the transparent ones, the lighter tones, everything nicely creates that same hierarchy and is really visually appealing no matter how you change it. Now I purposefully didn't say black and white, I said light and dark, and that's because you can choose your own colors as well. Let's say instead of the dark tone or the black tone, we choose a dark green, and then for the gray we go for that little bit of a greenish vibe, but still gray, but we give it a little bit of green tone. And just look at that result. This already gives a totally different feeling that can align with your brand in just a few seconds. Now compare that to the other different slides that we have made, and you can see that everything really matches up and really pushes that brand aesthetic forwards. Now if you want to buy this really cool template, it's available in dark and light mode on both Canva and PowerPoint, so you get everything in the same package. You can download it via the link in the description below, so definitely let me know what you think and see you in the next video.